How's it going, guys? My name is Kishan and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you the landing page that I use to get high quality renovation and interior design clients and why it works. So yeah, I'm going to break everything down so you can do it for yourself and do it for your renovation or interior design company. So yeah, let's take a look at the landing page that I did. Alright, so this is the landing page right here. So this is the landing page I did for a client of mine. My client owns a renovation and construction company. So this is the landing page I did for him in order for him to get more leads coming into his business. Now, I want you guys to have a look at this landing page. If I scroll down here, you can see that it's not really that long. The landing page isn't really that packed with information. It only has information that's relevant to the potential customers that's going to come on this landing page. If you look at other businesses, they tend to put in so much information that's not even relevant to their objectives. Their purpose is to get more customers, more clients to their business. But then again, when you look at their landing page or their website, there's usually a lot of fluff that the customers and clients don't really care about. So that is one thing you have to get rid of. And yeah, it's one of the things I got rid of in this landing page. If you notice this landing page, we don't have so much of fluff. We went straight to the point. We start with the headline, and the headline says we'll renovate your whole house in just 14 weeks or we will give you 5,000 ringgit in cash. Now that is the offer that we are running with right now. The offer should be the first thing that the customer sees, that the client sees on your landing page. Now if you see below the headline, you can see a lot of bullet points. Now those bullet points are just added information to emphasize the offer, to enhance the offer. Now let's read each of those bullet points one by one. The first bullet point says renovation guaranteed complete by the promised deadline or we will give you 5,000 ringgit in cash, so you can expect to see your dream house without any disappointing delays. Now if you look at the way I structured this, I put in the feature together with the benefits. So now the feature for this bullet point is renovation guaranteed complete by the promised deadline or we give you 5,000 ringgit in cash. Now that is the feature. The benefit is how would that feature actually benefit the customer? Like how would that actually be good? How would that actually help the client? The benefit for this bullet point is so you can expect to see your dream house without any disappointing delays. So that is the benefit. That is what the customer gets. The second bullet point says we make sure our customers get fast replies, work done on time, contractor punctuality, and 100% no lazy work. So you won't have to worry about wasting all of your time and money. So this is the feature: 100% no lazy work, work done on time, contractor punctuality. And the benefit for this bullet point is what the customer will get. So the customer will get this, so you won't have to worry about wasting your time and your money. So it addresses the benefit. That is what the customer will get. That is what the client would benefit from this bullet point. Okay, for the next bullet point, I only added a feature. So it's get a stunning dining table set worth of 5,500 ringgit for 50% off. Schedule a consultation today. So that is just a feature. And below that, you can see guaranteed quality workmanship, so you won't feel disappointed with the final results. Now that's the benefit. Whenever you write these bullet points, make sure you have the feature and also the benefit. If you only write the feature, people don't really care because people want to know what's in it for them. What would the client get? What the customer will get? We always want to put the benefit. The benefit is the thing that addresses what we will do for them. Just like this, guaranteed quality workmanship. We will give guaranteed quality workmanship. That is our feature. But how will that benefit our client? It will benefit so that they won't feel disappointed with the final result. So that's how it will benefit them if we have quality workmanship. And the last one is another feature, just a feature, so you can get a secret bonus when you claim the offer. Now this is the main thing that made me get lots of clients. You see, there's a secret bonus when you claim this offer, meaning they don't know. It's curiosity. It's very suspicious. Your curiosity has been spiked. So people will be like, hey, I want to know what that secret bonus is. If you look at the final bullet point, you can see I wrote get a secret bonus when you claim this offer. All our past clients loved this bonus. Keep that in mind. Whenever you create a landing page, you want to always have at least one element of curiosity. When people know what they're already going to get, they won't go to the next step. step. I'll give you an example. Let's say the last bullet point I covered. So there's no curiosity there. The client will already know what he is going to get, he or she is going to get. He doesn't really have a reason for him to actually go to the next page. So if let's say we have the element of curiosity like this one, get a secret bonus when you claim this offer. Let's say if I put myself in the client's shoe, I would want to know what that secret bonus is. And in order for me to know what the secret bonus is, I have to claim the offer. Now, the only way I can claim the offer is by clicking this button below. So yes, I want to claim this offer here. So make sure you have the element of curiosity on your landing page in order for you to make your clients go to the next step. I'll show another example on the next page. So once the client clicks on this button here, a pop-up will show up, and again in this pop-up, the offer will be stated right at the top as the headline. We'll renovate your dream house in just 14 weeks, or we pay you 5,000 ringgit in cash. And then we also have the element of scarcity. Now, scarcity is so that people will be more obligated into giving the information, more obligated into claiming your offer. Because when something is very limited, people will want more of that thing. So it's more valuable. Right here under the headline, I put fill in your information below to claim the offer before someone else does. Only 6 spots left. So I only want to work with 6 people who want to renovate their home. So once they entered in their name, their first name, their email address and their phone number, they click on this button, they'll go to the second page. Now the second page is where they will have to schedule a meeting with the contractor. So how did this page work? So it's basically same as the first one. We use the element of curiosity. For the layout of the page, I actually just embed a Calendly calendar. So in case you don't know, Calendly is a software where you can use to book appointments. Let me open that up. So it's a software company. It's a software where you can use to book appointments. You can send your Calendly link or your Calendly calendar to someone else, and they can just book the appointments on your calendar. So I'm doing the same here. I just created an account and then just copied the code from Calendly onto my landing page, which gives me this very nice and clean calendar. So the client will come to this page and then they'll see the scheduling page. But then again, you must have the element of curiosity, or at least something valuable, in order for them to make the next step. In this case, we use a free 30-day renovation warranty, which covers any damages 30 days after the renovation is complete. Now that is a very valuable added bonus, and the client will only get this 30-day free renovation warranty if they schedule a meeting with us. So yeah, that's another reason for the client to actually schedule a meeting with us. Once they've scheduled the appointment, they'll be sent to a thank you page. Now a thank you page is just very simple. It has the logo, a big thank you, and then the next instruction. So the next instruction is, if you have any questions, feel free to contact us on WhatsApp. So you can click the button to contact us on WhatsApp. And yeah, I literally did not see this. I have to go and make the change right now. Okay, anyways, once they click this button, they'll be sent directly to WhatsApp, where I can follow up on them and then ask them a few more other questions, and yeah, I'll just close the deal. But Kishan, what software are you using to create this landing page? That's a very good question. I am actually using a software called System.io. Now System.io is a very good software made for this kind of lead generation funnel, and the best part is you don't have to pay anything. It's completely free, because yeah, it's just free. So yeah, that's the exact landing page, the exact funnel that I use to bring in more renovation and interior design clients to the business. Okay, so by now I think you already should have known that I'm using Facebook and Instagram ads to bring customers to your landing page. So in the next video, I'm going to show you exactly how I structure my ads and how you can follow along with me to get more clients, more to your landing page for the lowest price possible. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.